Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely Jaguar F-Type. Now this is a 2015 on a 15 plate. It's the S all-wheel drive, so bigger brake horsepower. Obviously when it comes to putting that power down, the four-wheel drive system is absolutely fantastic. Now looking around the car, have you seen a better looking car than this? The silver metallic paintwork looks absolutely ace, shows off the lines of the car very well. We're riding on the larger alloy wheels, powder coated in a lovely sort of shadow grey, and then we've got lots of bright silver and chrome accents all the way throughout. So let's have a look at the front bumper first of all. So this vehicle, it's not been raced and rallied, it's not riddled with stone chips. Looking at the lower splitter, that's finished in gloss black, and that's a Maxton design splitter kit. Then, like I said, lots of chrome and gloss black detailing. So we've got chrome in the grille, we've got gloss black in the grille, and then we've got that bigger brake horsepower S badge showing you that this is not a standard vehicle. LED daytime running lights, we've got the bonnet vents as well, nice and sporty with the coloured surrounds. These normally come in black. Then we've got the larger alloy wheels on this one, so 20-inch 5 twin spokes finished in this lovely shadow chrome. Bright red brake calipers popping through. We've got the red on the centre caps, and it's riding on Pirelli P0 tyres. Looking down the side of the vehicle, no signs of any dents, no large scratches. And then where you tend to pick up scratches on these cars, so looking around the grab handle, obviously they pop out when you unlock the car. Looking down here, where you normally pick up loads of stone chips, there's nothing there. It's absolutely superb. Then chrome detailing on our window surrounds, on our mirror cap. And then obviously we've got the panoramic glass roof on this one as well, so a nice black roof just to contrast. Coming through to the back, electrically deployable spoiler, nice sports exhaust with the valves, so press the button, opens the valves, makes it sound like a different beast. We've got reversing camera, F-Type badging, S badging. Lastly, just looking down the side of the passenger door wing, absolutely superb. Looking at the wheels, they're all absolutely mint as well. Now, poking our heads inside, colour combination, this lovely silver paintwork is coupled with this light dove interior, and I think you'll agree it looks absolutely superb. So looking at the driver's bolster, looking at the driver's seat base, as obviously this is where you tend to pick up most of your work, getting in and out of the car, especially with such a low sporty suspension. Then we've got the Jaguar kick plates at the bottom, but jumping inside, I'll show you through some of the specification on this car. So once you're inside, leather multifunction steering wheel, we've got bright red flappy paddles to match the on button and to match your drive select. As we're doing the video today, it's a low mileage example. It's only covered 26,703 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Then we've got our electric seats, obviously electric mirrors, automatic lights. On the steering wheel, you've got your limiter, you've got all your volume and media controls. We've got satellite navigation on this one. Pressing through to home, you've got a full DAB radio, all the extended channels, obviously Bluetooth phone connectivity. Flicking into reverse, reversing camera engages. Ambient lighting, dual zone climate control, drive select. So you can put it into dynamic mode. You can see the sports exhaust is switched on straight away. We've got our deployable spoiler up at the moment. You've got the contrasting dove grey detailing on the actual centre console there as well. And then central cup holders, central armrest, AUX, USB, 12 volt power outlet, that's all found within there. And then obviously we've got this lovely panoramic roof with the manual sliding shutter. But honestly, with that sort of mileage, this type of condition, it's hard to find a better one. And it's got those nice juicy additions that you look for as well. Now the exhaust, obviously it's been running, it's nice and warm. Let's give it a bit of a tickle. That sounds angry. So, if you'd like any more information on this vehicle, if it's finance that you're after, if you've got a part exchange, give us a call, send us an email. Our phone number is 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.